I hope you are having a wonderful day. Thank you for checking this video out. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video, and share it with a friend if you know anyone that could benefit from this information. Uh-oh. You broke the hand lever on your scooter. You dropped it, and the brake lever broke. Where do you buy parts? How do you fix it? This is a catastrophe. And we're going to make the process a little bit easier. I'm going to show you how to fix it. So let's get to it. If you can find an exact replacement for your brake lever assembly, the process is easier because all you have to do is pull the new brake lever out of the assembly and put it in your old one, and you're all set. Otherwise, it's about $20 for a pair. Most scooters come with 2-pin connectors on the brake lever assembly, and you just pull it apart right in the middle. It feels like you're going to break something, but you're not. That's so you don't have to run wire all the way down your scooter to the taillights. And if your scooter doesn't have this and you're replacing the brake lever assembly, make sure you get a brake lever assembly that has this. That way, next time you replace it, you can just unplug it instead of pulling the whole wire down to the brake light. Follow your brake cable down to your brake caliper and release the tension on your brake cable at the caliper. Pull the cable out of the broken lever. Remove the cable adjustment screw. The cable adjustment screw and the locking ring both have a slit cut in them, so you can just slip the cable through. There's only one bolt underneath to remove that clamps the assembly to the handlebar. Remove the small bolt that locks the hand grip on. Apply heat with a heat gun or a hairdryer or something to warm it up and have it come off the handlebar is easier. If you're replacing both handles because you want them to match, and I'm sure you do, and one or both hand grips won't come off at all, you just can't do it, there is another option. Just cut them off, cut the hand grips off, and replace those too. They're only about 10 or 15 bucks, maybe 20 at the most. Depending on what you had before, it might be a welcomed upgrade. I hope that information helps somebody out. Just put everything back together the way you took it apart and go out and have some fun on your scooter. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Click the bell for notifications. And one more thing before we go. 1 Peter 5 verse 5 through 6 says, God is opposed to the proud, but he gives grace to the humble. Therefore humble yourselves under the mighty hand of God, so that he may exalt you at the proper time. Right now is a great time to examine ourselves and look in our heart and see, are we walking humbly before God?